What's up, guys? Thank you so much for returning to some serious cleaning motivation. As you can see, my apartment is totally trashed, but I am okay with that because I am human, and although I love a clean apartment, it is not realistic that I keep my apartment perfectly clean all the time. But if this is your first time seeing me, hey, my name is Stephanie McQueen. I am a married stay-at-home mom and a homeschool mom, and I post motivational cleaning videos every Monday, and I would love for you to stick around and be a part of my channel. I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, but I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go too fast, 'cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time, 'cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, but I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Sorry for the naked Barbies. My daughter always has to give her Barbies a bath in the sink, which is why there actually is so many Barbies all over the apartment. We love the same things. You want a house in Malibu. Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
I did not realize how disgusting it was up here, but yeah, look at that. I definitely had to wipe this clean. As I was wiping down my fridge and everything, I just noticed that stuff was splattered all over my walls, and I'm pretty sure it's chocolate milk from my daughter shaking it in her cup. But yeah, I definitely had to get all these spots everywhere. So my daughter knows that if she does make a mess everywhere, she still is responsible of cleaning that up, and that is not mommy's job. So she has to go around and pick up all of her stuff off the floor. But on this particular day, she had dance class that morning, so that is why she is in her ballet outfit. But yeah, right now she's just picking up her mess of Barbies everywhere. And like I said, she loves to give her Barbies a bath, and this is all of them, wrapped up and dried after their bath time. I don't know if your kids put stuff in weird places, but I was asking where her bead bucket was, and she's like, "Oh, it's in the bathroom, mommy." And I'm like, "Okay, I have no idea why you put that in there." But she also wanted to show you guys all of these. She made these, I can't remember what they're called, but you iron them when you're done. And I remember doing these when I was a kid. And now back to finishing my kitchen. There was just a couple things that I still needed to get done. know if you guys have seen these before, but my husband and my daughter love them. It's called dot art. So they're working on this Spider-Man currently, and it's just these little diamond dots that you have to put on. And they already did a 101 Dalmatian one, and they're super cool. And my daughter and husband just love to do them together. You can't see it on the camera, but I discovered some more splattered stuff on the cabinet over here. My cat was acting like a little child that does not listen. He would not stay off the bed. Seriously, every time I put him down on the floor, he would jump back up.